Hello, I am Teacher Pearl. For today's video, tuturuan ko po kayo on how to subtract integers. Example number 1. 35 minus 15. 35 is positive, 15 is also positive, kaya 35 minus 15 is equal to 20. Example number 2. 15 minus 35. Also the same in example number 1. 15 and 35 is also positive. Ang pinagkaiba lang po sa example number 2, nauna si 15 kaysa kay 35. Yung nauna po kasi yung maliit na number. Kapag nauna po yung maliit na number, then mag-subtract, magiging negative po yung answer. Tapos, you need to subtract the two numbers, which is 20. So, the answer for example number 2 is negative 20. Again, negative kasi nga po, nauna yung maliit na number kaysa sa malaki na number, tapos subtraction. Kaya, magiging negative yung answer, negative 20. For example number 1 kasi, nauna yung malaki na number kaysa sa maliit na number, kaya positive 20 po yung answer. Next, example number 3. Kapag nakakita po kayo nito, class, na magkatabi, magiging plus po yan siya. I-copy po ang negative 35. Sabi ko nga, magkatabi itong dalawa, magiging plus. Tapos, i-copy po si number 15. Ngayon naman po, ma-apply natin ang rule ng adding integers. Sabi ko sa video ng adding integers, kung napanood nyo po, kapag adding integers tapos magkaiba po ang sign, ang isa negative, ang isa positive, you are going to subtract. 35 minus 15 is 20. And then, yung mas malaki na number sa 35 and 15 kasi si number 35. Tsaka, ang sign ni 35 is negative. Kaya, copy the negative sign. The final answer for example number 3 would be negative 20. Example number 4. Unlike sign po, negative 35, yung isa naman is positive. Negative 35 minus 15. Kapag unlike sign po, and then subtracting integers, you are going to add. 35 plus 15 magiging 50. And then, you are going to copy the negative sign. Sa adding integers po, kapag unlike sign, yung i-copy po kasi yung mas malaki na number tsaka kung ano yung sign niya. It's either positive or negative. Pero, sa subtracting integers, copy lang po talaga ang negative sign, tapos i-add yung dalawang numbers. I-add yung dalawang numbers kapag unlike sign po sila sa subtracting integers, and then copy the negative sign. Next, example number 5. Kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina po, kapag nakakita po kayo nito, tapos magkatabi sila, magiging plus po yan siya. Copy natin si 35. And then, since magkadikit itong dalawa, magiging plus. Then, copy number 15. 35 is positive, 15 is also positive, so 35 plus 15 is equal to 50. So, 50 is the answer for example number 5. Again, summarize ko po lahat yung 5 examples. Example number 1, 35 minus 15 is equal to 20. Lahat positive. 35 is positive, 15 is also positive, kaya 20 yung answer. Example 2 naman, kapag nauna po yung maliit na number, tapos nahuli yung malaki na number, and then subtraction, yung magiging answer kasi magiging negative, and then you need to subtract the two numbers. Example number 3. Kapag nakakita po kayo class na magkadikit, ng ganito, magiging plus po yan siya, and then, i-copy lang po yung negative 35, yung 15. Then, negative 35 plus 15, i-apply natin yung rules sa adding integers na kapag unlike sign, i-subtract and then copy the sign kung sino man yung mas malaki na number, kung positive ba or negative. Number 4. Kapag unlike sign sa subtracting integers, then minus negative 35 minus 15, you need to add the two numbers and then copy the negative sign. Example number 5. Kapag nakita po kayo ng ganyan again, magiging positive po yan siya. Copy positive 35, then ito magiging plus, then copy number 15, 35 plus 15 is equal to 50. So, that's all for today for subtracting integers.